Here we have a 2017 Ford Transit Custom. We've got 4 16-inch alloy wheels on this van, as you can see just there. Coming around to the front, there's a look at the bodywork. We do have both front and rear parking sensors on this car with visual display. We've then got our colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles with the privacy glass and pop-out window for the rear passengers. We've then got our roof rails on top just there. Taking a step down, we've got our third alloy wheel there, as you can see, excellent condition. As we come to the rear, we have got the spoiler just there. We've then got a tow bar as well on this vehicle. I'll open up so we see the back. Very tidy example this. I must add that this vehicle's only had one previous owner, so there's a look. We've got carpeted rear doors and then carpet on the walls and ceiling as well. Great amount of space and a really tidy example, as you can see. We do have a bulkhead to fit across here. I've got that just across there at the moment. We've just taken that out to give it an extra thorough clean for doing the photos and video. Now, close that up, make our way around. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And I'll go to show you the inside. Starting at the back here, we've got the full fabric free seats just here. We do have ISO fixed points in these seats and they're in very good condition. We've then got 3 interior lights, 1, 2 and 3. We've got hooks either side for whatever you may want to hang. We've then got our good amount of foot space just there. Now we do have the pop-out windows. I'll show you an example of one just there. We've got those on both sides, and both sides do have sliding doors, as you can see. Now going into the front, we have got the same 3 fabric seats, again in excellent condition. We've got a fold down armrest here in the middle with 2 cup holders just there. We've got a huge amount of storage spaces in here. Let's go through, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with 12 volt connectivity, 8, and they just keep going on. Really great amount of storage in the front here. Now on the door, we've got electric power folding wing mirrors, very good option to have on these vehicles. We've then got the electric windows as well as lock and unlock buttons with the integrated speakers. Step inside, grab the key out. Now as you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 56,300 miles, and I'll start it up so you can see we don't have any warning lights on the dashboard either. Got fuel low, no problem at all. There we go, no warning lights on the dashboard. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel for different controls whilst you're on the go, like phone or volume controls. We've got both speed limiter and cruise control on the left here, and then we do have automatic lights on the right there as well. Now coming up, we've got a button for our parking sensors, as well as a heated windscreen just there too. Now coming into the middle, our infotainment screen, we've got DAB radio, as well as both FM and AM. We've then got our media, different sources. We've got Bluetooth, as well as auxiliary, mobile apps, and CD. We've then got phone connectivity, so you can connect your phone via Bluetooth and either make calls or listen to music. And now if we come down, we do have our controls here, very easy to use, very easy to navigate. Once you've had a mess with this for 5 minutes, you'll be very familiar. I'll just show you here, if we do put the vehicle into reverse, we do have the visual display just there. Now as you come down, we've then got some 12 volt connectivity. We've got our climate zone controls with air conditioning, and then some more storage spaces on the left there. We do also have the 6-speed manual gearbox, which changes like a dream. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching.